Alright. It's not done yet. Hope you like it. When I saw you, I knew it was either gonna be heaven or hell. It was like you instantly had me under some kind of love spell. I couldn't breathe. I couldn't sleep. I couldn't pick up my fork to eat. But you know how it goes. I was a naive girl. Made you my whole world. I should have said no when you said, baby, let's give it a whirl. Back then I didn't know what I do now. I wish I could figure out a way to turn back the clock somehow. Nah, fuck that. I'm done playing this childish game. Just holding my head high and not feeling any shame. No shame. No shame. I got game. I got game. You love me? Yeah, right, bitch. I see right through those lies. I'm done being mesmerized by those deep, dark, deceitful lies. I should have known like T-Swift when you said forever and always. But I let lust get the best of me, put me in a trance. I even lost track of the days. You put me in a haze, but now I'm feeling okay. I don't hate you. I'm gonna leave you. Oh wait, you already left me. Put me up by the curb like I wasn't no toy. But don't worry, you're just a dumb boy. I'm raising the bar, getting higher standards. I'm done fucking with bastards. No more bending over backwards. I'm gay.